Hello, my lovely ones. Here again we are with a lovely question. We are asked to evaluate 16 1 over 4 plus 7 1 over 2 all over 16 1 over 4. In this question, we are going to solve it step by step. Now, the first thing we are going to do, we are going to write this 16, then 1 over 4, then plus 7 over 7 1 over 2, right? So this division, we are going to put this in bracket. Division comes here as 6 1 over 4. Now this is the first thing that we have to do. Now according to board mass, we are going to make use of it. Now we can see that we have addition. So we are going to work on this first of all. So to do that, we convert these two to improper fraction, which is we are going to have 6 times 4 times 16. 4 times 6 is 24. You write 4, carry what? 2, right? So 4 times this one is 4, plus that 2 is 6. We have 64, then plus 1, it gives us what? 65 all over 4. Then plus 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 all over 2 in bracket. Divided by 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1, 25 all over 4. Now, what do we do next after this? We are going to look for the LCM of these two numbers here. Now, the LCM of these two numbers here is 4. So you write down 4. Okay, now 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 65 give us 65. Plus 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times 15 give us 30. So in bracket, divided by 25 all over 4. Now we add up together. 65 plus 30, that gives us what? 65, 30. Add it. This one give us 5. This one give us 9. That is what? 95 all over 4 divided by 25 all over 4. Now, there's a law in what? In fractions. Whenever, especially when you are dividing fraction, that law says that whenever you have two fractions and in the middle of those fractions, you have division sign. What you have to do is you have to change that division to multiplication, and the denominator goes up and the numerator comes down. So we are going to have 95 all over 4. So this division sign becomes times. So this 4 goes up, then this 25 comes down. Okay, so this is how we do it whenever you need something like this. So what do we do? This 4 can take out this 4, right? Let's divide 25. 5 in 25 is 5. 5 in 95 is, okay, 5 in 9. That gives us 1 remainder 4. That's 45, right? 5 in 45 is 9. Okay, we are left with what? 19 all over 5. Is there anything we can do next? No. So this become our what? Final answer. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.